What I'm playing are the Elixir Acoustic 8020 bronze strings with NANOWEB coating, and they give us that bright, lively sound. And because they're made by Elixir Strings, they have extended tone life as well. Now, players report to us that their tone lasts longer than any other brand, coated or uncoated. What makes Elixir Strings different from other brands is that they coat the entire string, and that keeps gunk from getting in between the windings. And for those 3 unwound strings, they treat them with an anti-rust technology. And that protects all 6 strings. And for us as guitar players, that comes with some great benefits. The first one is consistency. When I pick up my instrument, I want to know what to expect. I want to know what it's going to sound like. And the longer the strings retain their tone, the longer I can expect that. The second benefit is comfort. If my strings feel new and there's no rust or corrosion or gunk in them, the guitar feels fresh and I feel more musical as a result. Now, speaking of musicality, a third benefit is reduced finger noise. Whether I'm on stage or in the studio, reduced finger squeaks and extraneous noise makes me sound more seasoned and more professional. I guess it comes down to this. The less money I have to spend and the less hassle I have to put into changing my strings all the time, the more time I have to just be a guitar player.